The big deal in Washington, D.C. today will be at the U.S. Supreme Court. Second Amendment gun rights back before the justices. At issue this time is whether the Second Amendment applies to state and local gun laws. Now, it might seem sort of logical to a lot of people that of course the Second Amendment would apply to the states, but it's never been applied that way by the U.S. Supreme Court. Remember, back in 2008, there was a case, the Heller case, in which gun restrictions in Washington, D.C. were struck down by this same court. Well, that only applies to the federal enclave of Washington, D.C. In this case, at issue are gun restrictions, gun laws in the city of Chicago. We'll see whether or not the High Court follows that same path and strikes these down as well, and says definitively that the Second Amendment applies to state and local gun laws. Updates on that on my blog also. All the latest news on health care and jobs legislation. Check out also what we have on Twitter and Facebook, and we'll see you on the radio.